Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting fast. Close Roblox and Roblox Studio to clear lock texture caches, then open Roblox Player and sign in. Once done, load a test game where the blurry clothes appear. This isolates the issue. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date while the game loads, because driver conflicts often cause texture scaling problems. You'll act on settings next, so keep the game running and the character visible. This ensures your adjustments affect the exact clothing item you need to fix. Now, change graphics settings while the outfit is visible so you can see results in real time. Go to Settings, switch Quality to Manual, and raise Texture Quality to 10 or higher. This forces Roblox to use higher resolution textures. Toggle V-Sync off if stuttering forces lower texture presets. Also enable High Details or GPU Performance mode where available to improve texture filtering. Once you apply these, give the game a moment to reload assets, so the clearer clothing text finish by forcing a fresh texture download. Close Roblox and clear the cache folders in %localappdata %bec/Roblox, logs, and cache. Then restart the game. This removes corrupted or low-res cache textures. Once restarted, join a different server or change camera angles to confirm the clothing now appears sharp. If blurriness persists, reapply the outfit from your inventory or ask the clothing creator to provide a higher resolution texture. Troubleshooting tip: if textures remain low, check that your GPU isn't using an integrated chip instead of the dedicated GPU.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.